Ohayo gozaimasu. And good morning, friends. I hope everything is fine. First of all, Happy New Year to all my friends. So, are you ready for next chapter? So, without wasting time, let's start. Hajimemashite. Nice to meet you.
Next word is よろしくお願いします。よろしくお願いします。Nice to meet you, or please take care of me. Friends, every word please repeat 3 times. It will help you a lot. Move to next word, that is 私はビシャルです。私はビシャルです。I am Vishal. Friends, please comment where are you from. I just want to know. Okay, let's move to next word. お名前は何ですか？お名前は何ですか？ What is your name? Friends, don't forget, I told you before, repeat 3 times. こちらこそ。こちらこそ。Likewise, nice to meet you too. Friends, our next word is
どこから来ましたか？どこから来ましたか？ Where are you from? Friends, I'm from India. Same as Where are you from? Mention in comments. Try to answer in Japanese. Try to answer in Japanese. インドから来ました。インドから来ました。I'm from India. Friends, next word is for all of you. 日本語を勉強しています。日本語を勉強しています。I'm studying Japanese. Next word is 少しだけ。少しだけ。A little bit. Our today's last word is もう一度お願いします。もう一度お願いします。Please say it again. Wow, we completed our today's lesson. I hope you learned something new. If yes, please comment. And it's time to practice. Say each phrase 3 times. Slow. Normal. Natural. Today's task is, please try to solve it by yourself. Friends, please watch my previous video for day 1 phrases. Thanks, bye-bye, and don't forget to share and subscribe.